During the Second World War, military technology evolved rapidly, and one of the most recognizable firearms of the era was the MP40. Developed in Germany during the late 1930s, the MP40 became an iconic symbol of the country's military equipment. Although often associated with frontline soldiers in films and documentaries, it was actually issued in more limited numbers than many people believe, primarily to officers, vehicle crews, paratroopers, and squad leaders. Designed by engineer Heinrich Vollmer and produced by the German company Erma Werke, the MP40 represented a significant step forward in manufacturing. Instead of relying heavily on traditional machining, many of its components were made using stamped steel. This reduced production costs, shortened manufacturing time, and allowed factories to build large quantities more efficiently during wartime. The weapon featured a distinctive folding metal stock, making it compact and easy to carry for troops operating in confined spaces such as armored vehicles or urban environments. Its simple external appearance reflected a practical wartime philosophy that emphasized reliability and ease of mass production. One of the MP40's most notable characteristics was its ergonomic design. Compared with many earlier firearms, it was relatively lightweight and comfortable to handle. These qualities contributed to its reputation among historians and collectors as one of the better-engineered military firearms of its era. Throughout World War II, the MP40 appeared in many major European campaigns. Historic photographs often show German soldiers carrying it during operations in France, North Africa, Italy, and on the Eastern Front. Because of these images, the firearm became closely associated with German forces in popular culture, even though many soldiers still carried standard bolt-action rifles instead. The MP40 was manufactured by several companies throughout the war. Wartime demand encouraged improvements in production methods, with factories focusing on efficiency and standardized parts. These industrial innovations later influenced manufacturing techniques used in other industries after the conflict had ended. Beyond its wartime service, the MP40 left a lasting mark on firearms history. Engineers in many countries studied its production techniques and compact design when developing later generations of military equipment. While technology continued to evolve, the MP40 remains an important milestone in 20th century industrial engineering. Today, original MP40 examples can be found in museums, military history exhibitions, and carefully preserved private collections where legally permitted. Historians examine these artifacts not only to understand military technology, but also to learn about the industrial capabilities, economic pressures, and engineering decisions that shaped World War II. Movies, television series, and documentaries have further cemented the MP40's place in popular culture. Its recognizable silhouette has appeared in countless historical productions, making it one of the most identifiable military artifacts of the Second World War. However, historians continue to remind audiences that real history is far more complex than fictional portrayals on screen. Looking back today, the MP40 serves as a reminder of an era when engineering, manufacturing, and global conflict became deeply interconnected. Rather than representing only military history, it also reflects advances in industrial design, mass production, and technological innovation during one of the most significant periods of the 20th century. Understanding artifacts, like the MP40, helps preserve historical knowledge while encouraging future generations to learn from the past and appreciate the importance of peace,